I'll show you how you can change your Facebook name page. First off, on the Facebook app, you want to go ahead and go to the right hand side here. Once you're on the right hand side here, make sure you're already on your page that you want to change the name onto. You want to tap on the gear icon up here. Once you're on the gear icon, you want to scroll down, and then you want to go ahead and go to page setup. On page setup, if you want to change the name, you can just tap on name, and then on here, just change whatever name you want to, like just example or something like that. And you can tap on the view change, for example. You'll see mine won't be able to be changed because I've changed my name in the last 60 days, but for you should be able to change just fine. If you don't want to change the name, you can also just change the username as well. So for example, the username up here, you can change the username, for example. So if you want to change the username, I can tap it like example name, for example, like that, example name, and then I could do 12345 or something like that. I can tap on save, and then once here you can see your username has been saved, and now I have a username inside it. Again, if you want to change the name, it's here, username, it's here.